Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Microsoft. We initially released our report on our website on Wednesday, January 17, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications so you can stay updated on our latest analysis. It's important not to miss any vital updates that could impact your investments. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. As of January 8, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a buy candidate with a score of 3.72. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.94%. This means that, on average, it has been generating a return of 0.56% per day since it was labeled as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is currently in a strong rising trend. This could present a great opportunity for short-term traders to sell, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a potential breakup at the top trend line, which would indicate an even stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 13.18% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return between 7.21% and 13.63%. As for the 12-month trend, it suggests a significant 46.29% change over the next year, with a potential return between 31.09% and 46.78%. This means that the stock price could range from $510.57 to $571.66 after a year. In today's update, we have some news about Microsoft. The headline reads, Microsoft stock downgraded to buy candidate. Yesterday, the Microsoft stock price went down by 0.205%. It dropped from $390.27 to $389.47 on Wednesday, January 17, 2024. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a 1.37% fluctuation, reaching a low of $384.82 and a high of $390.11. It's worth noting that the price has gone up in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen a 5.02% increase over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased alongside the stock, which can be seen as a positive indicator. On the last day, the trading volume dropped by 7 million shares, with a total of 20 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.88 billion. Looking at the broader picture, the highest price the stock has reached in the past 52 weeks was $394.03, while the lowest price was $230.68. As of now, the current price is 1.16% or $4.56 below the 52-week high of $394.03, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 12, 2024, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft a rating of overweight with a recommended action to hold. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft a rating of outperform with a recommended action to hold. On Thursday, December 28, 2023, Wedbush gave Microsoft a rating of overweight with a recommended action to hold. On Tuesday, December 5, 2023, Needham gave Microsoft a rating of hold with a recommended action to hold. On Tuesday, November 21, 2023, Piper Sandler gave Microsoft a rating of overweight with a recommended action to hold. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating overall. They have rated the PE ratio and price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a rating of neutral. In this video, we will discuss the signals identified for Microsoft stock. Both short and long-term moving averages indicate buy signals for Microsoft, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals shows a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock is expected to find support at $383.73 and $375.25. However, if the stock breaks below any of these levels, it will trigger sell signals. Moving on, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a buy signal for Microsoft. However, there have been some negative signals as well, which might impact the stock's short-term development. On Tuesday, January 16, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -0.205% so far. It is expected that the stock will continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is found. Notably, the volume of trades decreased along with the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume tends to follow price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, it's currently showing a buy signal. Pivots, it gave a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, it generated a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, it indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, it also indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 5 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average gave a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal 52 days ago. If you want to find more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, let's talk about Microsoft and its support, risk, and stop-loss levels. Microsoft has found support from accumulated volume at $370.73. This support level presents a potential buying opportunity, as we can expect an upward reaction when it's being tested. In terms of movement, Microsoft tends to have very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Looking at the recent performance, over the past day, the stock moved between its highest and lowest points by $5.29, which represents a 1.37% fluctuation. And if we look at the past week, the stock has exhibited a daily average volatility of 1.77%. Before we delve into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's take a moment to go over some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This critical ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Microsoft has a relatively normal PE ratio, which is often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. Moving on, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is expected to be released on January 23, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.75. It's important to keep an eye on these figures, as they can significantly impact stock prices. Today, we're going to explore some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft stands at $390.27. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be broken before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $370.73. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop-loss for this stock is set at $375.30, which represents a decrease of 3.64%. This particular stock tends to have minimal fluctuations in its daily movements, making it a low-risk investment option. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was observed just 1 day ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? We have analyzed several short-term signals and the general trend, and the results are positive. We believe there is a buying opportunity at the current level, with a fair chance for Microsoft stock to perform well in the short term. However, it's important to note that there are some small weaknesses in the technical picture, leading us to downgrade our analysis conclusion from a strong buy to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. Looking ahead to Thursday, January 18th, we anticipate Microsoft stock to open down by $1.34, starting trading at $388.13. Before we dive into the content, let's start with a reminder: trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's important to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your thoughts on our current view of the stock. Share your agreement or disagreement in the comments below. Additionally, let us know your target for the stock. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading insights. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.